Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact real reasons why your Google Ads account gets suspended in 2026 and beyond. So let's get started. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google Ads partner company with the name of Aarswebs.com. You can find our link in the description of this video. We help clients with Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads audit, setup management. We also help clients with Shopify, WordPress, and complete website development solutions. So in case if you want to know more about our company and services, you can visit through the link in the description. Aarswebs.com, Google Ads partner company. Now let's move back to on why Google Ads account suspended in 2026 real reasons, even those which Google won't tell you. Okay, so you may have noticed our videos regarding this, and we have been sorting out Google Ads suspensions case studies, and we have often posted a lot of video case studies regarding the Google Ads suspensions. And I so far found the biggest reason for suspension is very common is circumventing system. The most queries we receive, the most one of the most common error people get is the circumventing system error. The circumventing system is actually the dangerous and one of the most difficult error, where the Google may feel that your site is redirecting users doing clocking. Sometimes people say clocking, sometimes the Google think that you are showing different website to users and different website to us. So over there, that is another big aspect. You change your business information frequently. There are multiple accounts linked, or the other multiple accounts with unpaid balances are linked, or your website gives low trust signals, your website is poor quality, or there are some plugins issues, or if you are using Nulled plugin, Nulled theme plugins, or hidden script, or any other issue which Google radar may think is causing. So circumventing systems comes over there. Okay, we help clients with that as well. So in case if your Google Ads account is suspended for circumventing systems, don't forget to hire us. Me and my team can help you. We can help you in finding out those errors on your website and talk with the Google and get your ads approved. So the second big error is unacceptable business practice policy or misrepresentation. Okay, misrepresentation is often when your ads do not reflect what your website is being shown, or your website is a little bit confusing on what you are selling. This can also cause misrepresentation, or where the unacceptable business practice policy arises where the Google is not sure what actually you are doing, or you are not doing without getting completely compliant, including privacy policy, terms policy, or there is a conflict in your information on all of these pages, or they do not reflect what your main website is saying. So we have seen the unacceptable business practice policy as the second most popular error, along with misrepresentation which people feel or get on their website. And again, this happens when your refund policy pages are weak, or other policy pages are weak, your contact details are missing, you are using too much urgency, which is causing rather urgency suspiciousness. So on that reason, this also is over there. And unrealistic claims are another reason as well. Some people get unreliable claims, disapproval as well, and this is another reason. Or your business identity looks unclear. This has some way match with the circumventing systems, but unacceptable business practice policy or misrepresentation is our second most popular error. And the third is compromise site, and this is not a suspension but a disapproval. Primarily disapproval and secondary suspension, where you are using a hacked WordPress plugin, infected theme, if there is unknown source coding in your web page. Not everyone is using WordPress, I know, and other platforms are being used as well, and on those platforms there is an error, or malicious JavaScript is over there, null theme, or someone actually hacked your website, or if you are asking credit card details, or not getting compliant, or any other thing on your website, not necessarily on your landing page, but any other page of your website is being infected, have Trojan or any other virus, adware, spyware, Google can label it as compromised as well. After this, another error which is very common is billing and verification problems, where people get suspended for suspicious payment or unpaid balance, and this can also happen if you are using different business names, VPN, suspicious payments, or incomplete advertiser verification can also trigger this. So we help clients with this as well, and we help clients with compromised sites as well. And another error is Google Merchant Center issues. If you run shopping ads and your Merchant Center account is suspended, your Google Ads account will automatically be suspended as well, and that is a completely separate service which includes Google Ads plus Google Merchant Center, but we do offer that separate service as well. So for the Google Merchant Center, you need to reach out and then pre-order. Another is egregious violation of counterfeit goods, and this is another big error. Why this is big error is because most of the business are wrongly being labeled for counterfeit goods, where we discussed with the Google, we provided them the documentation, we reached out manually and verified our products and our source, so this can help you with that as well. And egregious violation is again somewhat similar, where the Google thinks that you are not selling what you are saying, so both of them requires a manual support from the Google, and in all cases you need to have patience. Some cases can be resolved quickly, some cases take time. Google has multiple various departments in them, which takes a lot of time for the approval, and manual approval requires removing your website from various departments, and sometimes it can take a lot of time. So if you are patient and if you have the trust, then you can look for this as well. So yeah, in case if you are being stuck with Google Ads suspensions, if you are stuck with Google Business Profile suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, or if you need our help or assistance with complete website development or Google Ads audit, setup management, meta ads management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as Aarswebs.com, and I hope I was able to define the real reasons why your Google Ads account gets suspended in 2026, and I can help with either of them. So in case if your Google Ads account is suspended and needs a manual help, do hire me and my team, and also check our YouTube channel for various case studies regarding how we helped previously as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.